a beast that's taking the mobile world by storm. If you're a hardcore gamer looking for the ultimate smartphone experience, this video is for you. We'll break down the top 5 reasons why you should consider buying this phone. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and the best prices. Let's get started. The ASUS ROG Phone 5 is powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor, making it a powerhouse capable of handling the most demanding games without breaking a sweat. Coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, you'll experience lightning-fast app launches, smooth multitasking, and ample space for your game library. Immerse yourself in the action with the ROG Phone 5's 6.78-inch AMOLED display that boasts a blazing fast 144 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or watching your favorite movies, the vibrant colors and exceptional clarity will leave you captivated. It is designed with gamers in mind. It features ergonomic controls like air triggers and ultrasonic sensors for precise gameplay. The phone also boasts customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize your device to match your style. With its aggressive design and comfortable grip, this phone is built for extended gaming sessions. Fuel your gaming marathons with the ROG Phone 5's massive 6000 mAh battery. This beast can easily last through a full day of gaming without needing a recharge. And when it's time to top up, the included 65 watts fast charger will get you back in the game in no time. The ROG Phone 5 delivers an audio experience that will transport you into the game. With dual front-facing speakers and Dirac HD sound technology, you'll enjoy clear and immersive sound. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, the audio quality is top-notch. This phone offers unmatched performance, a stunning display, a gaming-centric design, exceptional battery life, and immersive audio. If you're a serious gamer looking for the best smartphone experience, the ROG Phone 5 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and the best prices. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.